बोटाच्या एका स्पर्शाने संबंध जगातील घडामोडी व दिग्गजांच्या प्रतिक्रिया पाहण्यासाठी राजमुद्रा न्यूज लाईव्ह हे ॲप डाउनलोड करा आणि आमच्या चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा.
Institute is not a normal institute. It's a very big institute. And मैं कोनाडे सर, स्वाति मैम और पूरी इंटायर टीम को थैंक यू कहना चाहती हूँ, बिकॉज़ उन्होंने मुझे इतना इनेबल समझा, इतना काबिल समझा कि उन्होंने मुझे इस कोनाडे कोचिंग क्लासेस में एडमिशन दिया. एडमिशन देने के बाद उन्होंने मुझे हर चीज़ इस कोनाडे कोचिंग क्लासेस के बारे में सब कुछ मतलब कि बताया कि कोचिंग क्लासेस कैसा है, यहाँ पे किस चीज़ से डील करना होता है. फिज़िक्स, केमिस्ट्री, बायोलॉजी, मैथ्स, मैथमेटिक्स एंड मेंटल एबिलिटी, these are the subject which is teaching in कोनाडे कोचिंग क्लासेस. कोनाडे कोचिंग क्लासेस में आए हुए मुझे कुछ ज़्यादा दिन नहीं.
Good evening, dear parents. I am being the parents of Aisha Fatima, which was rewarded by the top of the Olympiad exam. So I want to express my feeling and share my feelings in front of all you, because I got very much experienced with this place and with this honor which was given by the कोनाडे coaching class. Okay, first of all, I am very much thankful. I am privileged to have this honor by the कोनाडे coaching class. Especially I am very much thankful to कोनाडे sir and Swati ma'am and the whole team of this कोनाडे coaching class. It is my only third visit to came here in this class, but still I got 100% experience from this class. Before this joining this class as a parents, I have also gone to the various classes, but I didn't get such type of experience whatever I have got here. So I am very much thankful as a parents of Aisha Fatima. They have regarded us as the best student, and not only she got the prize, even I think that I also got the prize from this class. And only within the short limited period, as whatever honor I have got here, this is very much wonderful experience for me. Though I am also a teacher, but the method of teaching here by the teachers, by the coordinator, by the head director, all these support and cooperate, I can say that today I am very much thankful as well as fully confident that as I entered my child here, I will get the 100% result from this class, and I have 100% confident here, not 99%. So once again I want to thanks to the whole team of कोनाडे coaching class, and I hope that, or I will pray to the God also, that this class will be successful in the future generations also, and I will also get the best result. Thank you. Goodbye.
ताज्या घडामोडी पाहण्यासाठी राजमुद्रा न्यूज लाईव्हला सबस्क्राईब करा, बेल आयकॉन